carbon sound, boy, last and found. When the chopper go do.
People ask if I hope ya me bring my gun in a pro box and coaster. But
that pan the fire, she see the sense upon my loop. Me skip the whip, come in no drive. The grill up on the ride, you see a corner upon the sign. As we rise, them know we sipping, we pan the grind.
I Sweepstakes and murder, shirt paint like birds. And me a walk around like a me run the world. Not talk about that, the badness what you heard.
Drunk your fuck away the Benz cool park. Me a drift, she a goggle to side fantasy. Drink and walk up for the earth, Tennessee.
Plenty, flick a car, the liquor spark, don't envy. Bag a pussy picture when they no stop send me. Bigger ball game, watch it entry, Wembley.
Short, you let up a like food to my soul. Look at you that, oh you have to style me. Stop going like you're not used to the road.
See how she want, she love Batman. I'ma love my bitch, them from London. London, I love Hosanna, oh, God.
Pussy that try this, who never find it. Pussy on the easy, oh, mind me tip glass. Think you know.
Dirty money make me mother take plane. You chop and all you buy one champion. We not for chat, we not for talk. Me just I say we not the same. Liquor just come boy.
Oh, 4, 5 and 6. They're away. Terrific start by Daniel Bailey. Usain Bolt though getting into his running. Here he comes. Usain Bolt challenged by Tyson Gay. Usain Bolt 2 clear meters. Tyson Gay in second place. And in third place the Suffer Power.
9.58! Smashing the world record. Unbelievable! He's done it again! A year later, rewriting the world record again! That is the most incredible piece of sprinting the world has ever seen. Absolutely breathtaking. He didn't just break his world record, he absolutely shattered it.
31, like that is very young. You could have kept going for a few more years.
Everybody keeps asking me, like, why did you retire? And the main reason, I remember I was talking to Michael Johnson, and I was like, why did you retire? You were at the top of your game, and he said, I'd done everything I wanted to do, and I had no motivation. You know what I mean? And when I got to, after the Rio Olympics, that's exactly how I felt. Because my main aim was to win 3 Olympics. That's what I wanted to do, set the bar high. And after that, my motivation kind of just went whoosh. So for me, it's, if you have no motivation to do anything, it doesn't make any sense because you're not going to put your 100% into it.
It seems inconceivable now, but presumably someone at some point will beat your world record.
You can see into the future?
Well,
I don't feel so. That's how confident I am right now.